Hello students, in this video we are going to see unit number 5 in finite element methods and analysis course. So the unit number 5 is about the computer implementation of finite element methods and analysis. So in this presentation we are going to see how the FEM software is used to analyze the program, the stages of FEM and the applications of FEM in engineering industry. So finite element procedure. So the general procedure of finite element method in the software is about the discretization. That is a step one. So in discretization, we use it to subdivide the structure into a number of elements. So this element can be a one-dimensional element or a two-dimensional element or a three-dimensional element. So according to the application, this element is discretized and it is used to find the unknown parameters in the software. So the structure is discretized. That is what the step number one. So here in this step number one, after discretization, what we will do is we will find the number of nodal displacements and by applying the given boundary condition. So the boundary condition may be about the stress or the load acting at a particular point. So this point and as well as the fixed supports or the free end, such conditions will be given in the software. So in order to calculate the strains, stresses as well as the nodal displacements. So this is how the finite element procedure is carried out in the software. First is about the preliminary analysis. So in preliminary analysis, we will choose the trial function. We will choose the we will discretize the structure into a number of elements. Then we will carry out the pre-processing stage. So that is the second stage of the finite element method. So here what we will do is we will apply the boundary conditions and we will choose the mesh generation or the support or the stress, strain, nodal displacements, everything is found. That is a calculation part of the software. Then the next stage, that is the third stage, is about the post processing. So in this post processing, what we will do is after obtaining the analysis report, we will interpret the results. For example, what is the stress versus strain, or what is the time versus temperature, etc., etc. So these things are interpreted in the post processing. So there are three stages in FEM. The first is about the pre-processing or the preliminary analysis, and the second is about the solving the problem, that is the analysis, and the third one is about the post processing. So these are the stages of FEM. So in preliminary analysis is one of the most important step in the finite element analysis. It is often ignored by many engineers, but it provides an insight to the problem and predict the behavior of the output results. So in this stage, we will use analytical methods to estimate the expected solution. For example, the boundary condition, the free body diagrams, equilibriums, mechanics of materials, etc. are also considered. Also, they simplify the problem using bars or beams. So here the problem is converted into a simplified element or a structure, and then it is predicted. So the predicted level of displacement and stresses as well as critical locations. So before FEA, engineer should know the expected solution and also the critical condition of this problem. So that is what the preliminary analysis. So next, straight away, the stage 1 of FEM. In this stage 1, it is otherwise called as pre-processing. So in the pre-processing, what we'll do is we will model a problem, that is mathematical modeling. So modeling a physical problem using finite element. So then they choose the type of element or the number of element. Then they will choose the displacement boundary condition. So it is a linear polynomial or a quadratic polynomial. So these things are all considered in the preparing the model for the finite element analysis, and then they will apply the boundary condition, that is the applied load, where the load is acting, whether it is a thermal load or it is a force acting or whatever it is, that is determined in the pre-processing stage. This finite element model is not a replication of the physical model, but a mathematical representation of the physical model. As I told you in the previous presentations, this stage is one of the very important stage, as well as this tool helps the manufacturing industries in order to carry out uh, analysis in a simulation manner, and then they will obtain results. After obtaining the results, they will go for the manufacturing of the product. So that's it about today's presentation, and we will see it. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.